what would be like the first step? Say, for instance, say like me as a reaver, because I'm a reaver, I don't really say too much about it. Obviously, a reaver, I used to be a Hindu, but now I'm Muslim. It's been about 6 years. And in regards to this, say if I wanted to go down that step, how would someone like myself, what would be the first step for me to take? What would you recommend?
That's very easy. You just connect with the brothers that have already been out,
Okay.
and then they will guide you in how to make a team, make a group, and many of them will be who's already been there. They've got the experience. So you team up with them, and regularly we have these groups going out anyway. They're going for 40 days, they're going for 4 months, they're going for one whole year in the path of Allah Ta'ala.
Yeah.
And it's good to see, the different countries you're going to, because you feel out of the box.
Yeah.
Because when we are stuck in Leicester, for example, and our day and night is here, and then, we go to London, we still feel that we're still in the same country.
Yeah.
But when you go out, and then you actually realize that your potential is much more greater because you have actually now been out of that box.